So no one is in the class. That's why I will wait for others to come and then I'll start the session. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Namaste.
How are you, Mr. Singh?
Hello.
Yes,
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I didn't get a hall ticket and the confirmation from NPTEL.
Okay, okay.
However, I paid them fees and registered everything.
Mm-hmm.
But
So
hall
you have
ticket, as on date, I didn't get a hall ticket and
so
any other confirmation.
so had you written to that email ID or contacted on the number that I've
No, no,
given?
actually, I didn't.
Okay, okay. So just first step, just write an email to the email ID I'm sharing again. So
Sure, sure, sir, sure. As on today, I will send. Yeah, no,
just
I got it. I sent the mail. They
uh,
sent me the formal email that I have submitted my assignment but
hmm,
didn't register. Then I
okay.
written them. I sent them the receipt of the payment I have paid, and
Uh.
they advised me ignore if you are already paid. Then ignore the
Yes,
email.
yes, 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 yes.
That's it.
So for like hall ticket and everything, any other problem, so you just write uh, an email to this support at NPTEL. So they will surely reply, no? And
Okay, definitely. Then
if if
I will send an email. For
and if you don't like didn't get any reply by Monday, Monday afternoon, you just call on these numbers. The mobile number is also there, and then
no issue, no issue, sir. I will do.
So I just said in the message box, so you can
Okay. And
check it.
for your information, that they have they distributed the hall ticket or not?
So I don't have information regarding that this hall ticket and all.
Okay, fine. No, no
Mm-hmm.
issue. I will
Okay,
send mail, sir. Okay.
okay, okay. Thank you. So I'm waiting for a few participants to join. Then after I will start the session, today's session. So right now only three participants are there. So let this number goes around 5 or 10. We'll start. Till then, if you have any query regarding the course or anything you want to discuss, you can feel free to ask me or can discuss with me. Yes, sir. So I think no one else will join. Three, four people are there. We'll start and we'll see the questions that I have for you all. So give me a second. Yes. So once again, hello everyone. I welcome you all to the today's session of automation in manufacturing, the course which is offered by NPTEL. We have completed the 11 week of this course. The last week is will be the next week is will be the last week for this course, and after that you will be having your examination for this course. So I hope till now you are learning and understanding the concepts which are taught by the professor in this course. Uh, and if you have any doubt, I am here for solving your doubts and queries. So today I have few questions for you, which are mostly focused on the content, which week 11 content. So I hope you all have studied the course content for week 11 and completed that part, and now this may be a preparation kind of you for uh, brushing your knowledge. So I will be beginning with the question answer. The first question is on the screen. It says the pneumatic system are in general follow which law? So before that, there was hydraulic system that was on some other law. Now this is pneumatic system, and this pneumatic system follows which law? So yes, so the pneumatic system follows Boyle's law, which says like PV, which says P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2, where P is the pressure, V is the volume, and T is the temperature of the gas or the air which is used in the system. So following this equation, we can make any of the pneumatic system to work in practical also. So, moving to the second question. Second question says the diaphragm type of pneumatic compressor is an example of positive displacement, negative displacement, dynamic displacement, or transient displacement. A pneumatic compressor which is having a diaphragm type is an example of positive displacement, negative displacement, transient displacement, or dynamic displacement. So one option came is dynamic displacement. Any other? So two options of these are the are never be possible. This negative displacement that you hadn't heard about, and then this transient displacement also. So two options are only there, either A, either C, or C. So one we got C. Any other? Any other answer? Okay. So this is the positive displacement type compressor where the diaphragm type of pneumatic compressor is used. So it comes under the positive displacement type. Next question is on the screen. Question is to supply air for ventilation application in an industry, which one of the following compressors would be useful? So for ventilation purpose in the industries, which type of compressor are utilized? Those compressors. Okay, the answer one answer we got is C. Any other? Pistol, piston, centrifugal, or diaphragm? Okay. So yes, this is a centrifugal type compressor. This kind of compressors are always used in any of the places for the ventilation, especially for industrial applications and in buildings where like when the proper ventilations are required at certain places. So the centrifugal type of compressor is used. Now the fourth question: which one of the following compressors provide high delivery volume with low pressure? So here the condition is we required high delivery volume but with low pressure. So which kind of compressor is used for this purpose? Where the pressure is low but the delivery volume is higher. Which one of the following compressors provide high delivery volume with low pressure? A. Okay. Any other answer? One answer we got is the screw type compressor. So for your there's a hint. This kind of compressor is used in the food processing industry. Any answer? Okay. So this is a lobe type compressor. In a screw type, like it is it does not deliver high volume. So only lobe type is there where we satisfy both of the requirement. So it deliver high volume and also the pressure is low. Next question is the match the following type. So we have dryer and then their features. So we have to match the dryers with their feature. First is absorption dryer, then adsorption dryer, and then refrigerated dryers. So options are heat exchanger, desiccant dryers, silica gel. So we have to match the best option of the dryer to the features. Is there any answer? D. Okay. One answer we got is D. Other, the others who are in the class, please reply. Some answer. Pramod, Halit, Namit should participate in the question answers. If you know the answer, please just put in the message box. What is your answer? So for this case, yes, D is the option. So adsorption type dryers are the desiccant dryers that we all know. Then adsorption dryers are the utilizes that silica gel for that, and refrigerator dryers are type of heat exchangers are used for that. So this is a correct match. So option D is the correct answer. Next, we have a symbol representation. So in pneumatic system, this symbol shows which component. There's a symbol here. So this shows which component or unit. So is it service unit, consumption unit, balancing unit, or transition unit? So this symbol represent which unit? So this was taught in the third lecture of this week, the symbol representation. This type of symbol represent which type of unit? Let us saying consumption unit. Okay. So it is not the consumption unit actually. It is a service unit. Yeah, it is service unit. Pramod is right. So this symbol is a representation of service unit. Now next question, question number 7. In which type of controller used in a pneumatic system, the generating output pressure is proportional to the displacement at one end of the beam? So the pressure is proportional to the displacement. In which type of controller it is possible? Fixed, proportional, variational, or constant? So this is a very easy question. Yes. So as it is mentioned there, that pressure is proportional to displacement. So it is a proportional type controller which gives this. Now question number 8. Again, it is a symbol representation. So this symbol represents what? The options are two direction rotation pneumatic motor with variable displacement, then with constant displacement, then is it a two direction rotation pneumatic pump with variable displacement or constant displacement? So be careful while answering this. There are first two op- for in first two options motor is there, in last two options pump is there. Then there is variable constant and variable constant. Okay, so we got the answer C. C is two direction rotation pneumatic pump with variable displacement. But answer is A. It is a motor. It is not a pump. This representation denotes the motor, pneumatic motor with variable displacement. Next question, question number 9. Again, it is a match the correct pairs. Now we have dryers and features. So we have to match the dryer with the features. So dryer column we have liquid ring compressor, lubricator, main line filter, and in feature we have mist of oil and air, sintered brass cartridge, air oil sealant. Any answer for this? Okay. So answer is option A, which is A matches with 3. So in liquid ring compressor, water or oil sealant are there. In lubricator, the mist, oil or air is there. And then in the mainline filter, sintered brass cartridges are there. So option A is the correct option for this match the following question. Now, the last question is again a symbolic representation question. So this symbol represent what? The symbol which is shown here represent what? So it is a subtle valve, as said by Sridhar Mohammed. Okay. Any other answer? Two people said it is a subtle. Okay, one option is D. So the answer is subtle valve only. So this kind of symbol represent the subtle valve. So these are all the questions that I had for you this week. Now, if you have any query or any question, you can feel free to ask me. I'll try to answer those questions and we'll discuss more. If anyone of you in the class, in the meeting, having any of the query related to this course, please ask me. I will be here till 4 to resolve the queries or questions that you have or the participants have. So if you have any query, please ask it to me now. This is we have completed 11 week. We are going to enter in the last week of this course. Till now, if you have any query, if you have any problem before examination, uh, just clear your doubts. For that, I am here. If you have any query, please ask it to me. Okay, so one question is there. Question says, what are all important topics for interview in hydraulics and pneumatics? Okay, so the topics that are taught in the course only, these are all are the important topics. Sometime you will not find the symbolic representation of the units, but the case study kind of thing you will find, and then types of this hydraulic and pneumatic components, different types of components are there, so all these are the important for the interview. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Last
Hi.
week I discussed on the admission registration, so it is
Yes.
clarified. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
they reverted me, and then they
Okay.
told it is taken care.
Okay.
So they
Okay. So,
replied the mail also. Yes.
mm-hmm.
Thanks for
So
this.
you got that hall ticket or something like that?
Nothing I got settled. They'll be regularizing. What is the next process?
Okay. Maybe you will getting the hall ticket number for this examination only,
Okay.
or
So
maybe like admit card kind of thing. This kind of maybe is the
okay.
next
So
step for that. Huh?
should I follow with them, or they will be sending through mail?
They will send in a week, maybe in a week or after that, because
Okay.
examination is on I later on this week, after this 2 weeks, I think, no, 2 weeks.
29th, 30th. The 30th was one day. Correct, na? Only one
Uh,
day.
mm-hmm.
30th maybe there.
So they will send the detail of like examination timing and the
Yeah.
center and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I remember one more question you have asked about that pressure relief
Yeah.
valve.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
It is
it was
covered in hydraulic system.
uh,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So it was discussed in this week course
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
we have followed, na? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So I hope, if is there any other query or anything else you want to discuss? Like,
So regarding graphical representation, I am
mm-hmm.
seeing for both hydraulic as well as the for both hydraulic as well as
Mm-hmm.
the pump. Sorry, motor and pump.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's for pneumatic as well as hydraulic same graphical representations.
Yes, almost it is same. Almost it is same, but yeah, there is some advancement in
Yeah.
some other advancement in this a pneumatic one.
Yeah.
We have seen some other structures also.
Yeah.
So others are same. Like if the like inlet, it is if it is a valve, so it is like the valve representation of that valve, the geometric
Yes.
representation is same. And then if it is a code, so it is same for both of the system. Yeah.
Okay. And one more note I had on the pneumatic system last
Mm-hmm.
thing. So
Mm-hmm.
we, in industry, what we use for FRL unit, we call filter, regulator, and lubrication system
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
primary.
Uh-huh.
So we are in this course we are mentioning on separator as well as the lubrication.
Mm-hmm.
So is there any difference between that, or it's both are same?
No, no. So the functioning are same, but like they are same actually.
Yeah.
So not much difference in both.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, and one more note I had. Sorry,
Okay.
one more note I had in the
Mm-hmm.
assignment question also.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is, which for food processing as well as the pharma, which type of
Uh-huh.
compressor are used? And
So this lobe type is used for this purpose, I think.
yeah, so then
Lobe.
options, yeah, low in that lecture, what I like in saw in the hard copy only. I didn't. Hard copy, what they mentioned was yes, was low only, low.
Lobe only, yeah, yeah, lobe, because lobe is used in this all the food processing, and then this pharmaceutical also. So
Yeah,
only lobe type, because it gives us the like the volume, the content, the matter which is flowing
yeah,
in large volume with a low pressure.
yeah,
So that is required there. So lobe is the only
yeah.
lobe type. Yeah.
Yes, on the dryer part, I studied it's absorption dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Absorption by we studied on the desiccant dryer. Desiccant dryer in the sense what you told of gel type. That
Mm-hmm.
is for that is the word desiccant was not used there. They used the absorption type dryer system. Yeah,
Okay, so what
yeah.
is not to try to see that?
Normally they use the desiccant dryer. We industry in this refer they say desiccant dryer or the refrigerant dryers. So,
Okay, okay, okay. I have to see that actually. So this word was there. I
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know what was there, but maybe.
Regeneration, something they
Uh,
used.
uh, uh.
And one
Mm,
more doubt I had in
hmm.
pneumatics. See, what are the like normally what we discuss? Like it's a gas or it's like only
Yeah.
the air, air.
No, so in pneumatic it covers all the gas and air. So it is compressed gas actually. So uh, the air which is like compressed, so it we generally dictate it as a gas.
Gas one, correct. So
Yeah, yeah.
the
So it is a natural air only, which is in the compressed form. So sometimes we
yes,
refer it as gas. Yeah.
So the
Other,
then there is
other
one
gases are
rate.
also there.
Yes, rate answer will be gas only. Correct.
Which?
The one objective type alternate or assignment question was there,
Uh-huh.
stating that in pneumatics we deal with dash
Uh-huh.
gases, compressed air, or the thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel this gas is the right answer there.
Mm-hmm.
So this was the doubt I had during the discussion.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Yeah.
Thank
We
you.
are
So
entering in the last peak is going
yeah,
on
yeah.
in that year. So I hope
Yes,
you
yes,
have learned a lot of like things from new concepts from this course.
yes, yes, yes.
You're from like which industry or some like which
I
place?
am from food processing industries,
Okay, okay.
MTR Foods Limited. Yes, yes.
MTR. So this the MTR packets that we got for this
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
pre
Yeah.
pre cooked food, huh?
Yes, yes, yes. So
Okay,
we have
nice.
a special purpose machine, and what course I opted, like
Uh,
automation in manufacturing, is very well
mm,
suited us. Whatever the basics it's
mm,
there,
mm,
where we learn from the lecturing, it's very well suited to us because
mm.
we only use the application.
Okay,
When
okay.
you study this course, it's very much used to us to think
Mm.
what are the automation can be done.
Yes, yes, yes,
So and
yes.
understand the basic concept and reading the drawings, there graphical
Mm.
representation shows the reading the drawings.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that very much refreshes our the work
Mm.
engineering thing what we are learning.
Mm. Okay, thank you.
So yeah, thank you. So, any course related to this future after this I can able to take.
Any course? Okay, so we have to see the like
Yeah, yeah.
course
Then
which
I'll
which
see that.
are going.
Then I'll
Yeah,
see that.
it is going to be float actually.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
So
courses
the
related to this only, like the
yeah,
automation courses, mostly automation in manufacturing is this is a complete course. Like it covers all the breadth.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
you may opt for some specific course which is targeting the production line, the automation
yes,
of the production line itself.
yes.
So that may be helpful, something like that.
So this was very much useful to me. And then
Hmm.
so coming to exam pattern, you were saying the multiple choice questions will be there.
Yes. Multiple choice question will be there only. The 50 number of question will be 50, and
So
multiple choice question will be there. So in multiple choice question, that like the questions which you are seeing in the assignment and similar question that I have discussed in during this
yeah, yeah, yeah,
sections. So like it may be of fill in the blanks, and
yeah,
then
yeah,
options are there, and then it may be of like symbol is given, and then
yeah, yeah,
options are there, and then match the following columns are there, like two
yeah.
columns are there, and we have to match that.
Okay.
So all this kind of, but the options are there. Options will be there. Multiple choice options will there, and then there is a no negative marking. So
Yeah.
yeah, there is no negative marking then.
So, thank you very much. I think
Okay.
the whole course and then class which is conducted, so
Mhm.
very much interesting. And then one important thing is whenever we want to take, we can take. For us,
Yes. Yes.
we can go back home and then after 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we can take the course, complete the study
Yeah.
peacefully, and then understand the things.
So
So thank you. Yes,
thank
yes.
you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I love it.
Okay, so this is all for today's session. I will be here again on the next week, same meeting link, same timing, to discuss more about the course, specifically about the content which will be taught in week 12. So thank you very much for joining this session and stopping closing this meeting. Thank you very much.